How to put more than one hairs on Roblox. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you wish to put more than one hair on Roblox, it is quite simple step. First of all, open any of your browser and log in into your Roblox account. As you can see, I have two hairs currently. In order to achieve it, the steps are quite easy. First of all, log in, go to the three dots or the three lines and go to avatar. Now on the head and body, select hair. Now, first of all, select the first hair that you want by tapping on it. Likewise, copy the URL and open it again on a new tab. Now, second is to select another hair that you want. Right click on the hair that you want and then click on open link on a new tab. This will now open the asset ID account. In the URL, the number next to catalog is your asset. Now you just have to copy it. Once you copy it, go to the first page of avatar and then click on advanced option. It will open something like this. Now you just have to copy and paste the asset you copied before. Tap on the save button and then it will change the saved accessories and there you go. You have more than one hair on Roblox. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.